Good morning, everybody. It's Kate from Wild Tales Of. If you're new here on YouTube and on my blog, wildtalesof.com, I share about family travel and outdoor adventure. And if you don't already know, we live in Seattle. And just a couple weeks ago, we traveled to a winter wonderland, but today we woke up to a winter wonderland here in Seattle. And so the kids are pretty darn excited, and we're gonna go and do our usual Saturday morning walk where we do a big walk around our neighborhood, and it all started, actually the ritual started when we started having lockdown way back last March of 2020, and we wanted to support lots of our local businesses. So we just started this walk where I think I've even done videos on it before, but we're gonna do our usual walk instead of a little bit of rain or sunshine or whatever we usually have in Seattle. It's going to be filled with snow, so it's going to be a little bit different, and we will take you along with us and see what happens. Here's a little look. The kids have been already outside sledding down our front lawn, and Slade is out shoveling the sidewalk and the steps and working his butt off, basically. Hope you guys are doing really well. Valentine's Day is tomorrow. Wondering how you guys are celebrating. Let's see what everybody's up to. So what are you doing?
Just making a leash, a sled leash.
Making a sled leash? This is what you do when you make your kids walk 3 or 4 miles. You make them a sled leash. That looks pretty professional. How you doing, Georgia? What do you think of the snow?
Good.
It's a lot. Having trouble, the kids are having trouble finding just the right hill to sled down. Got to find something steeper, and this snow is hard to sled on.
Valentine's Day.
Thanks. Happy Valentine's Day.
Woo! Nice. Yeah.
Well, we're making our way back home because Bergen, well, we're kind of ready to get going, but also Bergen did one last sled down the hill that goes into Lake Washington, and he took a little bit of a dip into the lake. So that's probably not too good. He says he's fine and warm and everything, but we're thinking it's best to head back sooner than later. Why are you in slow motion?
Yeah, buddy. Woo!
You did the roll. You think he's okay?
He got right up.
Work it. 9 inches? Yep. Wow, that's a lot.
probably gonna
So
be
not a foot.
almost.
Okay, Georgia and I are in the kitchen and we're gonna make sourdough cookie bars. Never made these before. We don't have eggs. We just used up all our eggs this morning, which I forgot when I was laying everything out. So we're going to attempt to make this with flax eggs. So we have that all mixed up and it's setting in the refrigerator right now. The recipe we're using, one of my favorite sourdough gurus, Simple Life by Kels, and she has really awesome recipes for sourdough if you're interested, and they're very approachable and simple, relatively simple. So don't those look good? Okay, Georgia's adding the flax eggs. Here goes the sourdough starter.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
Secret.
Secrets don't make friends.
It's a secret surprise for you because you're working so hard.
Ooh, that sounds good.
These are delicious. Turned out more cakey than cookie. I'm not sure if that's the flax or we ended up needing to bake it a lot longer. About 30 minutes. Well, we are gonna call it a night from snowy Seattle. I think I showed that we actually just watched a really neat movie that I wanted to share. We actually heard about it because Slade always prints out the ballot for the Golden Globe Awards, and it was on for, let's see, for Best Animated Feature. It's called Over the Moon, and it's on Netflix. And Bergen, what did you think of that movie, Over the Moon?
It was really good.
Really good.
I really liked it.
What'd you like about it?
I liked the little guys.
The different creatures?
Yeah, and I like that one her brother.
The brother, the stepbrother. Yeah, he was pretty funny. So if you're looking for a neat movie, fun movie to watch as a family, we definitely recommend Over the Moon. Here's the ballot, by the way. This is what I'm talking about. So Slade always prints this out and then often just uses it as a guide to kind of see as many of these and check off the ones. He usually checks off the ones that we've already seen, but he hasn't done that yet. Anyway, does anybody else do this? So thanks so much for joining us. I'm gonna whip up some sourdough bread that I'll bake in the morning. And it's actually a new recipe, one that I haven't done before. It's cranberry pumpkin. So we'll see how it turns out. Has actual pumpkin puree in it and pumpkin seeds and cranberries. It's supposed to keep snowing. I think it stopped. Yeah, it stopped for the time being, but then it's supposed to snow all day tomorrow. So we'll see how much accumulates over the entire weekend. But we got close to a foot, which is crazy. How many? Bergen says 15 inches. I think that was in his friend's backyard. But here in our backyard, it was 9, but then it snowed a bunch more. So I'm thinking about a foot. Anyway, thanks so much for joining us. We really appreciate you supporting our channel by giving us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and considering subscribing. If you want to come and follow along, we would love to have you join our adventures with us. And we hope you're staying happy and healthy, and we hope you are getting out and having some brave, wild adventures. And we'll see you next time.
See you next time. Bye.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's
belated.
Day.